Scheduling meetings with leads or customers doesn't have to be a hassle. With the LiveChat times Calendly integration, you can let visitors book a time with you directly in the chat widget. No back and forth emails needed. Whether it's a product demo or a quick consultation, the process is seamless and efficient, with events added to your calendar automatically. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use the LiveChat times Calendly integration so you can start simplifying your scheduling. Let's dive in. So, to install the Calendly app, you want to go ahead and open up your LiveChat app. Then you want to go to Apps, you want to go to Search, and you want to type in Calendly. Oh, there we have it. Let's click on Get, and then click on Settings. So this will take us to the app settings of Calendly. Right, so here we can see the app placement, and the app will actually appear in the text area instead of where normally integrations would appear, so the sidebar. So to send a Calendly invitation on chat, you need to have a scheduling link ready. So for that, we're going to hop on over to Calendly. So here we have the event type that we want to use. So we have Intro to Copilot, 30-minute, one-on-one. So here we want to simply click on Copy Link. Right, let's go back to the LiveChat app. So you want to be on chat with a visitor. And here we're going to see the Calendly integration displayed. So we want to go ahead and click on it. We want to create a new Calendly message, so click on Add. And here we have the Calendly link. So we need to paste the link that we copied earlier from Calendly. Right. And we have the title. So for the title, since it is very specific, I'm going to go with something like Intro to Copilot Sales Demo or something like that. Next, we have the image URL. Now, I highly recommend pasting in an image URL to kind of spice things up and make things look more professional. So let's go ahead and paste our copied image URL, delete this one, and simply paste it in. Right, next we have a message text. So this is something like the subheading text or like a description. So we could write, can't wait to show you Copilot, or something of the sorts. Right, then we have the action. So we have the text action, choose a date, fine, confirmation text, confirmation message, meeting booked. Perfect, let's take a look. All right, looks good. Let's click on Add. So to finalize things, you want to click on Choose, make sure you do so. Then we can see a little tick here, and we want to click on Send. Now let's go and see what the customer sees. So this is the customer's view, and when they click on Choose a Date, they will see a calendar appear in the chat widget. How cool is that? Now, I want to share a few more pointers of using the Calendly integration, so we're going to head back to the LiveChat app. So here in the LiveChat app, you can reuse all of these templates over and over again. If you do decide to delete one, simply click on the bin icon, and you're good. Adding Calendly to your welcome screen. Now, if you'd like your customers to be able to book a meeting or demo with you or your sales team immediately as they open the chat widget, then we've got you covered. To add Calendly to your chat widget welcome screen, of course, open up the LiveChat app, go to Settings, you want to find Website Widget, and a welcome screen. Right, here you want to make sure that you have the correct group chosen, so you can change that around if needed, and we want to go to Manage Content. Let's scroll down, and here we have custom links. Let's click on Manage Links. Here you can see that I already have a custom link created for Telegram, and this is how the customer views it. So contact us on Telegram. Right, let's go create a custom link for Calendly. Manage Links. Now here we need to paste the link from the event type from Calendly. So let's go and copy that. copy link, make sure you have the correct event type chosen, and paste it here. Then click the arrow. And now we have to name our link. So I'm gonna go with something like book a sales demo for Copilot, or something like that, right? Then we want to click on done. And here on the right, you have a preview of how the customer will view that. Right, so let's click on Save Changes. And that's it. All right, you now know everything you need about the Calendly integration. But if you have any questions, feel free to go to livechat.com and start a chat with us. Take care and see you soon.